Content marketing and paid advertising. Meanings. Marketing and advertising means communicating with consumers with the intention of selling something. For most authors in today's publishing world, it's not an either or, rather a both. Amy and I use content marketing and paid advertising to reach readers. Content marketing. Using forms of media such as blogs, articles, print, podcasts, and other forms of creativity to share your work. It offers something of value to the reader while also involving exposure and getting the cover of your book in front of as many eyes as possible, along with familiarizing people with your name and novels. Typically, it's free. In this instance, you may be leveraging connections, pitching for press and media coverage, and scoring interviews. This often requires savvy and helps if you know influencers. Paid advertising for books includes Amazon ads, Facebook ads, BookBub ads, and other paid promotion sites. In this instance, you pay for placements featuring your book on the host site. Thoughts on selling. If you feel that weird, icky feeling about selling, you're not alone. It's helpful to think about it this way. If you don't share your work, someone who really needs to read it, whose life might be changed, who might be entertained or inspired, won't have the opportunity. We approach it with this in mind. We're sharing. Yes, we're selling, but we're also telling a story, and those tend to wrap themselves around the heart, mind, and lives of readers. Thoughts on sharing. Just think, how many books have you purchased in your lifetime? Doesn't it feel good knowing that you're supporting the author's work so they can create more? Don't you want to read more? Yes and yes. The same goes with you because you're an author now. 3 things to keep in mind when you're advertising and marketing are to see how you can inspire, educate, or entertain, and always be authentic. This goes a long way in bridging the gap between sleazy marketers, we've all encountered those, and building trust between your readers and yourself. Take the long view. Marketing pro Chadwick Cannon says, "For the average author, the life of your book will be as long as the life of your marketing efforts." We can expand that to include all forms of promotion. He continues and says, "But be encouraged. Smart, creative marketing can be sustainable and builds your long-term brand just as much as your book sales." So, if we use content marketing and/or paid marketing, we're taking the long view. One is not better than the other, and as I said, we employ both methods because our goal is to share what we love with people who might love it too.